All right, so what I wanted to do here, guys, was go through with you changing a mixed number into an improper fraction. And then I also wanted to go ahead and do finding our greatest common denominator. Okay, and then I'll do, okay, so first we're going to go ahead and do our mixed number into an improper. Okay, first you have to multiply. Okay, first you have to multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, then you take that 14 and you add the 3. So when we do 14 plus 3, we get 17, right? So now my new one is 17, 7. Okay. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and check that, I could also go ahead and check that by turning this improper back into a mixed number. Okay. Oh, the other thing, this is negative, so I would bring the negative to the top. Always make sure you bring, if it's a negative mixed number, we need to bring that negative to the improper fraction. The other thing, okay, so now if I want to bring this back to a mixed number to check my answer, all I'm going to do is I'm going to ask myself, okay, 17 divided by 7. Okay, 7 goes into 17 2 times. That's my new whole number. 2. Okay, 2 times 7 is 14. And then I do my subtraction and I get 3. My remainder is 3. And that is my new numerator. And then I have my denominator. And again, I had a negative here, so I need to make sure that that value is negative. Okay, so that's mixed number into an improper. Over here, I have 2 fractions that I want to make into, I want to make sure have the same denominator. Okay, one thing I can do if I wanted to is I could always go ahead and I could do 4 times 6 and 6 times 4. And just multiply them by themselves if I wanted to. And that would give me 24 as my common denominator. Okay? All right, and then as long as I did it to the top and bottom, okay, 3 times 6 is 18, and 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so now I have the same fraction, just with the same value of fraction, but with the same denominator. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do it with the least common denominator. Okay, so for least common denominator, I would ask myself, okay, what numbers can I get 4 and 6 to go into and also have them be the same? What does that mean? So I would just count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, okay? Then I would count by 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. Oh wait, I said 24 in my 4 list, didn't I? So that tells me that I said 24, but I also said 12. 4, 6, 4, 8, 12, 6, 12, right? So 12 ends up being my common multiple, okay? Because 4 times 3 will give me 12, and 6 times 2 will give me 12. Now I just have to multiply the top by those same numbers. 3 times 3 is 9, 5 times 2 is 10, okay? And you see that I have 12. So remember, my multiples of 4, how did I get 12? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, okay? 6, 6, 12. Hey, look at that, 12 and 12. That's my common multiple. That's my least common multiple and my least common denominator. Now, if you were adding or subtracting these with the same denominator, you can add or subtract them.